Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so bears push it down. You got another day of the band ride. They pushed it down to the lower level last night. Now we're really involving either side of this 50-day exponential moving average. Last night's low is 45, 43, 75. Here's my concern. You're making higher lows versus lower lows on the daily chart. Maybe you're flagging up to break down, or maybe we're just going up. It's too early to tell. What the bears are going to need to do if we continue to head higher is defend this 9-day if you can, and certainly defend the daily mid-band if you get there. So hourly chart, you can see there's your Wednesday low. Here's your higher low off of yesterday's open, 45.05 half, and they really ripped this one out of nowhere for about 20 handles. And, it just basically bled up the rest of the day. A little bit of give back last night, but that 50 now is holding its support. You'd really like to see it start to live below there and go and try involve the 100-day. So the majority of the night has just been trading on either side of the hourly mid-band, which comes in right now at about 45.73. You got volume weighted average price, 68.5. Our proprietary moving average, 69.5. Daily pivot's like 61.5. So you've kind of carved out this zone between, say, 55 and 80, and it's gonna have to, deal with it. The tape remains very volatile. It is not as volatile as it was a couple of days ago. So it is about 7:45 a.m. Eastern time as I'm taping this. In 45 minutes, we've got the jobs report at 8:30. So we'll see what kind of volatility that produces. Jobs report has been, as far as a volatility generator, it's been pretty uneven lately. There have been reports that have moved the tape. There have been other reports where the things just kind of shrugged its shoulders and moved on. I think certainly the COVID stuff right now is driving the bus a little bit. Certainly it has this week. So we'll see how all of that pans out. But the key for me is if they get back up to the 9-day, which is locked up with the pre-FOMC price, weekly pivot, and the 20-day, do the bears continue to do a pretty good job of defending these areas? You can see it defended here, here, here. And we weren't involved yesterday at all, which is what you want to see if the bears are going to take control of the tape. It's that 2-line rule that I've talked about for years. Bears, you want to control the tape? Okay. Take out 2 significant lines, close below them, and then stay below them for the entirety of the next Globex session. That finally happened yesterday. Close below, stay below. If you keep staying below, then the weight of things, you'll start to deal with things like the 50 and the 100. What you don't want to do, bears, is just go ahead and just get back involved in this area. Because now, what that starts to look like is a 44.97 low and an over 100 handle rally. Everybody starts hearing jingle bells, and we're off and running. And I don't care what's going on with COVID. The market's not totally desensitized, but it's pretty close. And what it's never desensitized to is performance chasing. And that's always the risk when you get to this time of year. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.